Hey guys, welcome back to another Queen Form video. In today's video, we're talking about Visible and how it's bringing back its $35 Visible Plus plan promo. This is a limited time offer, guys, so go ahead and get it, but you do have quite a bit of time. So I personally use Visible Mobile as one of the carriers that I have. It's a very good carrier. It is by Verizon, so Verizon does own them. So it's kind of like what Cricket is to AT&T, you know, the whole spiel. But let's go ahead and talk about it, guys. There's two main plans on Visible, and I'll show you on their website, but this is by Best of Know, very good. So let's get into the plans. Here they are. This is their official website. We can get more details. So the plan does start off at $45 a month, guys. But if you use promo code 3546, you will get it for 6 months, I believe it is. We'll look at more details about that, but yeah, it is for 6 months you'll get that. So half a year you'll get that promo. Really good discount off of it. So let's check it out what this has to offer. So it's like I said, there's two plans. There's Visible for $25 a month, which is really cheap, and that's tax and fees included. And then there's of course $45, but right now you can save $10 a month just for signing up with them and using that promo code. You have to use that promo code. So let's see what you get for $25. Like I said, I would personally say for an extra $10, go ahead and upgrade currently right now to the Visible Plus, and I'll tell you why in a little bit. So $25 a month is unlimited talk, text, and data, and 5G and 4G LTE. So very, very nice. You do get all that. Hotspot is unlimited mobile hotspot, guys. So it is unlimited mobile hotspot, but the speeds are set for 5 megabits per second. So it says unlimited mobile hotspot. Your smartphone becomes a Wi-Fi connection for devices like tablets, laptops, and more. Visible includes mobile hotspot with unlimited data at speeds up to 5 megabits per second, limited to one device. When the network experiencing heavy traffic, your data may be temporarily slowed. So it's one thing, guys. You do have unlimited data, but in times of congestions, if it's slow, if it's very congested, let's say you go to a concert or something like that, sporting event, speeds will be reduced. And trust me, you will get deprioritized quite a bit. So that's why I kind of don't like the $25 plan. Now, if you live somewhere where Verizon is not heavily congested, then you should be fine. But also, you do get spam protection and unlimited talk and text to Mexico and Canada with the Visible, which is really good, actually. So then we have Visible Plus, lots of extras for not much extra. So this is the premium data. This is the one they usually want you to get. So like I said, normally it's 45, but whoops, but you get it for 35. Sorry if that made a little pump, but let me tell you, or let me show you the quite a bit of perks you will get. So same thing, unlimited talk, text, and data, 5G and 4G LTE. You also get 5G ultra wideband if available in your area, which here in my town, it's actually being more and more available. So I shout out to Verizon. I believe they said that it's actually coming out earlier and spread out more. So like I said, Verizon is the most expensive. That's why people like Visible, because it's a prepaid version of them. So you also get premium network experience. What does that mean? That means priority data, guys. That means that you will get, even if the area is very congested, kind of like what I was telling you over here. If you go to a concert, speeds may be reduced. Well, with the premium network experience, that's why I like Visible, you don't have to worry about it. Let me show you. So now it's only 50 gigabytes of premium data every month on 5G nationwide and 4G LTE. So it's only 50 gigabytes, guys. But after 50 gigabytes, when the network is experiencing heavy traffic, your smartphone and hotspot data may be temporarily slowed. Sorry, but my son and dog came in the room. So, but that means basically, like I said, you get 50 gigs of priority data. That also works, I believe, for the hotspot. And I'm making a bunch of noise now. But like I said, premium network, that's like I said, if you're in a heavy congested area, if you have not used the 50 gigs, you won't have to worry about the slowdown. So, but once you use the 50 gigs, guys, like I said, you still will be able to use the internet, but times of congestion, it will slow down. So basically you have 50 gigs where you don't have to worry about it, but after that, speeds may be slowed down. So pretty cool. The same thing, you get a limited hotspot. And like I said, after the 50 gigs, yep, I was right. This 50 gigs does go towards your bucket of unlimited data. So it's not like you have 50 for hotspot, 50 for data. It does have one bucket. So just be wary about that. Now you get more extras. You get save $10 a month on Verizon's home internet. spam protection, unlimited talk, text to Mexico and Canada, unlimited talk and text in Mexico and Canada, international calling from US to 30 plus countries, and international texting from the US to 200 plus countries. Very cool. It's very nice, and you can see where all the ultra wideband areas are. So not available everywhere, usually in bigger cities, but overall it is pretty nice. And you can see how it stacks up with the others. If you just did the essential or just the cheapest plan, Visible starts at 25, AT&T is 75, and T-Mobile at 65. So of course you get zero activation fees, tax and fees included, and some costs with or without auto pay. So overall, like I said, I think Visible is the way to go, and they have really good promotions currently right now. So I don't even have to read all this, but like I said, it's nice. Like I said, you do get 50 gigs priority data, which is nice, and basically what I already said in this video. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. This promo does end on January 2nd, 2024, so you have the rest of this year to get this promo. It's really good. I would say go ahead and get it before it's too late, because saving $10 a month for 6 months is pretty good. So overall, I think it's it's good. $60 you'll be saving, So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More videos your way. And like I said, this is Visible. This video is not sponsored by Visible. Visible, hit me up if you do want me to sponsor. So I do use Visible as well as other carriers, but I do like Visible. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More videos coming your way. I do have more videos planned and some new setup coming. But let me know in the comments below, what carrier do you use? Do you already have a Verizon, like the postpaid or the prepaid version? That's one thing that Visible I like over the prepaid. Verizon is that you do get HD streaming in videos, and you get priority data. On prepaid Verizon, I believe it's only 480p that you can stream up to, but overall it's good. So but yeah, guys, like I said, it's easy. Everything's through the app, and if you want to sign up, I will have a referral link soon, so let me know. And which plan would you get? Would you get the 25, or for $10 more you get 35? I know normally it's $20 more, but even at $20 more, I think priority data is a must. But if you guys are on a tight budget, you don't care too much about the data, just want limited talk and text, 25 is plenty for everybody. Yeah, like I said, unlimited everything, no hidden fees. 99% of the U.S. population is covered, which means it's under Verizon. All the hotspot usage you can handle, and 24/7 human assistance. So not bad. You can also do a smartwatch if you wanted to. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, and subscribe to Dragonic Warfare. Sign off, and more videos your way. Thank you.